Hello friends, Running Kimono here. It is December the 19th and we are talking about everybody's favorite subject, that is gift sets. I don't know why this is such a hot commodity with everybody and their grandmother, average shoppers, and extreme couponers. I think it's because there's coupons in these boxes, but we have some hot deals to get these really cheap using the different rebate apps, and we're going to jog through them. The first store that we're at is Walgreens. Now, earlier in the week, we were like, get the Olay set, and that $2 rebate for IBOTTA that vanished, it came back. So buy two of these, get a $4 register reward, and it's just magic upon magic. And I actually opened this up because I'm like, before I gift this, I think there might be a coupon or two inside. Take a look at this. They don't expire until March, the end of March, and that's $9 of coupons. And hopefully some of this stuff will get discontinued by the end of the year, and you can scoop these up with these high value coupons. They're always great to have on hand. So some of them are affixed to the top of the box, and a couple of them are inside of the box. So definitely open them up before you gift them for the holiday season. I know a lot of people are gifting these gift sets, so let's say the word gift a couple more times in this video and like the video for saying gift a million times. So this week there's like 30% off of a lot of the gift sets, and specifically we're looking at the Dove Men, because Fetch Rewards has a rebate for this exact product. So you'll have to double, triple check, does your store have this? And it's $7, and then Fetch is giving back 2,000 points on the Axe or the Dove Men. So this is only available at Walgreens, so it would make this box set $5. If your store is very strict or they don't give you receipts for doing curbside pickups and everything's just a hard and fast no, go into the store, look for this gift set, and ring it up for $7. Buy it, use Walgreens cash. You're going to get $2 back from Fetch. Double, triple check you have this exact rebate, and go and make it happen, because $5 is a really good price point. If you have a $10 register reward from some of the deals we've been showing this week, I mean, use that, or $10 in Walgreens cash, a lesser out of pocket, and you're still going to get something back from Fetch. And if you have not signed up for this app, sign up today. When you use my referral code, it's linked in the notes. You're given an extra $2 for submitting any receipt. It's a really good app to be using this holiday season. Now we're going to look at this deal if you wanted to do it curbside, meaning you're putting the order through your cell phone, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up. If your store might have these in stock, throw one of these into a cart. If you can get a physical paper receipt, you have to ask the cashier to process it through a regular register. If you can't accomplish that, I mean, obviously grab the gift set in store. So we're going to grab one of these Dove gift sets for $7 on the nose. We're also grabbing two of these Pantene hairsprays for $2.29. Buy two, get $4 back in Walgreens cash. Plus, we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that has a quick expiry, so double, triple check that it's still working for you. And then two of the Neutrogena wipes with the 4 off 2 coupon. Buy two, get $7 of Walgreens cash. That is an online only deal. So if you were like, I don't like any of the deals, this might be a deal pour vous. Just to show you guys, using the code WAG10, you're saving an additional $1.50, $3 off for the Pantene, and $4 off for those Neutrogena makeup wipes. And I know a lot of you are thinking like I'm thinking. You're like, this would be all fantastic stocking stuffers, and I agree. The overall total for this is $23.56. WAG 10 shaving off that $1.50, $7 in digitals melting off, so you'll pay $16.38. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. Pay $6.38, and you're getting back 11, 4 for Pantene, and 7 for Tresemme. I call this not a bad little dealio. And let's not forget, you must ask the cashier to process it through a regular register so you get a physical receipt. Because for this basket, you're going to photograph your receipt once you have it in your hand in the store to the Fetch Rewards app. Double, triple check that you have this rebate. Photograph it so you can get your $2 back, because that's a huge part of this basket. It makes everything just such a wonderful deal, and all of these items would fit beautifully into a stocking. So I think this is a great deal. Now, I just did this deal as a workaround. Say you cannot get a receipt. This is the alternative deal. You're going to grab everything in the basket, the Pantene and the Neutrogena wipes, and you're going to sub out the Dove for this, the $1.88 4 roll of toilet paper. And then just to jog you through, like, I need the visuals again. This is your friend that you're going to be throwing in. 2 of the Neutrogena makeup wipes, and make sure that you have the 4 off 2 digital coupon. And this friend, which is the 2 clearance Pantene hairsprays, and we have a 3 off 2 digital. And then just to show you guys, 1844 WAG 10 shaving off 99 cents. We have $7 in digitals, the 4 off 2 for the Neutrogena and the 3 off 2 for the Pantene. $11.50 if you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.50, you're getting back 11. So it basically makes it an even Steven freebie. And I know a lot of you would really love that little 4-pack of toilet paper. Final store that we're at is Walmart. And at Walmart, they have a rollback or a cheaper price on the soft soap Christmas gift sets. Now, this is not a Walmart cash deal. This is a Fetch deal. So please don't order this through the app, because I don't think you're going to get a receipt for Fetch unless you have your Walmart account linked with your Fetch account. But just be mindful of that, because a lot of us probably need a receipt. So it's either the ladies soft soap or these Irish Spring gift sets, which is also a really good price. So it was $12.44 down to $10, which is some savings. Now, if you scoot over to your Fetch Rewards account, it's the app I keep talking about in this video. So if you have not signed up, sign up today, guys. And when you photograph your first receipt, even Taco Bell, you're given like $2 or something like that. Fetch is giving back 4,000 points for every $10 that you spend on the soft soap or Irish Spring, available only at Walmart for this, and you can do it up to 3 times. So you would buy, in theory, $30 of this and get back $12. So it would be $18 for the 3, or like $6 per gift set, which is not bad. Now, I think why a lot of couponers are specifically like going for this specific one is because there's a lot of really juicy coupons inside. I don't know why you guys like it when I say the word juicy, but for the lady that loves that word, here's your the J word today. There is a lot of really good coupons, and I think there's, for the larger hand soaps that we get at Walgreens, there's a whole bunch of manufacturers in there for those, along with Irish Spring and soft soap. So if you're a Dollar General shopper, there's tons of those. So any way you slice the pie, double, triple check that the rebate apps have your rebates before you go to the register, and go and make some of these deals happen. I know a lot of you love to gift this, along with a lot of just regular shoppers. These are flying off the shelves like hotcakes. Go and make it happen. It is the 18th of December today. 19th of December today. Go and do Santa's work. Do your best. See you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.